Hey brothers, are the pimples on your face driving you crazy? Do they keep coming back no matter what you try? Are you washing your face, using products, drinking water, but your skin still refuses to clear up? If that sounds familiar, then you're exactly where you need to be. Because today, I am going to tell you the one secret mistake men never fix. And once you correct it, your acne can literally start calming down in just 7 days. Let's get right into it. Most guys think acne happens because of dirty skin. So they scrub harder, wash more, use stronger cleansers. And that actually makes everything worse. The real reason your acne never goes away isn't because you're not washing enough. It's because you're damaging your skin barrier every single day without realizing it. A broken skin barrier means more oil, more redness, more irritation, and more breakouts. And the worst part, most men do this every morning and night. So let me tell you exactly what you're doing wrong. You're rubbing your face instead of treating it. Rubbing with towels, rubbing with your hands, scrubbing with harsh cleansers, dragging your skin after shaving. All of this creates micro tears that inflame your pores. And inflamed pores spout acne that never heals. Now here's the good news. The fix is simple, fast, and extremely effective. Start with this. For the next 7 days, do not rub your face at all. Not with a towel, not with your hands, not with a cleanser. Only dab, pat, and glide gently. You'd be shocked how fast your skin calms down when you stop attacking it. Next, the ice compression technique. This is a game changer for men. Take an ice cube, wrap it in a thin cloth, and press it gently on your acne areas for 20-30 seconds. Don't rub, don't drag. Just press. Ice reduces inflammation, shrinks pores, kills surface bacteria, and instantly calms redness. If you do this once a day for a week, you will absolutely notice a difference in how your skin looks and feels. Now let's talk about something men never think about. Your beard and your pillowcase. Your beard collects bacteria, sweat, and oil all day. Then at night, it presses into your pillowcase, which also collects bacteria. And then your face sleeps on that same spot again tomorrow. That's a perfect recipe for hormonal acne, cheek acne, and jawline breakouts. So here's the fix. Change your pillowcase every 2 days and rinse your beard with warm water before bed. Not shampoo, just water. You'll notice your cheek acne start to fade, sometimes in just a few days. Another thing many men ignore is this. Your phone screen is dirtier than a public door handle. Every time you answer a call, that bacteria spreads across your cheek. So from now on, wipe your phone screen once a day. One simple habit that prevents dozens of unnecessary breakouts. Now let me give you the fastest oil control trick. After washing your face gently, take a clean tissue and lightly press it into your T-zone, forehead, nose, chin. This removes excess oil without damaging your skin barrier. Once you start controlling surface oil without stripping your skin, acne becomes much easier to manage. So what happens if you follow these steps for 7 days? Your acne becomes flatter, your redness fades, your breakouts calm down, and your skin stops feeling irritated. You look cleaner, brighter, and more confident. And all of this without expensive products, without overwashing, without complicating your routine. Just better habits. Remember, brothers, clear skin doesn't come from doing more. It comes from doing the right things consistently. Your face is your first impression. Treat it with respect, and it will reward you. If you want more powerful men's glow-up tips, grooming secrets, and simple routines that actually work, stay strong and follow us. Hit that subscribe button and join the brotherhood. We grow together. You got this.